Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with simple detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by discussing the importance of budgeting. A solid budget helps manage your finances effectively. It allows you to track income and expenses. The first step is to gather all your financial information. Collect recent pay stubs, bank statements, and bills. Ensure you have a clear picture of your income sources. Next, identify your fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses are those that remain constant each month. Examples include rent, mortgage payments, and insurance. Variable expenses can fluctuate, such as groceries and entertainment. Once identified, list these expenses in a spreadsheet or budgeting app. Add up your total income for the month. Then, sum your total expenses using the same method. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. If you have a surplus, consider allocating funds towards savings. If you're in the red, assess where you can cut back. After creating a basic budget, it's time to set financial goals. Define short-term and long-term goals for your finances. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation. Long-term goals could involve retirement savings or purchasing a home. Now, reevaluate your spending habits. Track every expense for at least a month. Use apps or a simple notebook for tracking. Regularly reviewing expenses will reveal spending patterns. Identify areas for possible reduction. After adjustment, create a more refined budget. Set realistic amounts for each category. Consistency is key. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.